Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to plow some snow with the skid steer. It's pretty simple for the most part to run. And pass me the phone and I'll show you the controls. So this is the dial that controls your RPM. This is for your park brake, windshield wipers, heat, AC. Then up here, if you want to disconnect your bucket, you can lock or unlock it. This is for loader suspension. And that's a key. You have to have both these down if you want to move it. So I'm going to click the park button up here, and this controls the bucket. So it's up, down, tilt, up, and this controls my tracks. So this would be right track, that's left track, forward is straight, back is back. Pretty simple for the most part. Ava is gonna show you guys, take a video of me plowing.